Aba MCA be Kaonti ya Kisii mwasubitu kuria rero nigo bakora emotion abuasa banyatuko ba kumurangeri oyoro omokonyi w'umugavana ime Kaonti ya Kisii Dr. Robert Onsari Monda kwegera kubwatikana amona mamocho ali anyatuko bakagosweru muna okotumika obisi bobe konyora amaki nabo igo ogutabera abisi korengana amoneri chiko ase korinde aba MCA ritukoria rero 53 banyako bagwaka ekura yo kumurusi abisi aba MCA 15 banyako bagwaka ekura yo kumutigira abisi igati aba MCA 52 bari ase Ebunge ye Kaonti ya Kisii korengana amona Monda niganyako bagakwegera kubwatikana amona mocha yonyante ko bakagoseru ase Ebunge yo ase korinde kaukwana Isiko ye ya magacho ye Ebunge yo MCA bwechinsemo kya ichuni wikirifsio cha unyata kwa wikia omuswada ase Ebunge ibukwane kumurusi abisi aisaneka amonengane yuyanya kwa korekana lituko lya rero.
They confirmed that indeed the money related to a refund of money they are taken from you in November 2022.
That is very true, Mr. Speaker, that the affidavit support the presentation I've had before the House.
Okay. And lastly, have you been called by EACC to, you've learned to be, you are aware that there is allegation that this matter is under EACC investigation?
Mr. Speaker, I have not been called by the EACC or given a notice to appear before the EACC on this matter. I only came to see there is a report.
It has been said that it's a war that has been orchestrated between us because it happens. I come from the river where Monda comes from. At times when we get these positions, we must rise above the cocoons of clanism, houseism, and just perform those functions that are expected of us in these offices. Chibesi chitaringe chibesi chinyinge sana ngasi yego naye kwadi chokubwata naba MCA Kaonti yetu ya Kisii esababu nere liye nigo tutagete twene kinga ngasi ende yonsi iratoka soro kongoro witu wakisi ese Kaonti yetu ya Kisii koko rwere sengire transparent na abana baito manyora baramba baga batari ko sabuso kubuli no bwate ko dufata kusuno bwate besa kusuno bwate kende so because abantu barabata banga no monyari bali kurwana monyari bali onde yaya jenigo nacho rikina abantu baichuni njemba korega sinegasi yemo ya abantu merete negasi yoba
I do not want to imagine that the political, Mr. Speaker, the political environment in Kisii will crop into this kind of debate so that it is an independent view of the arbiter who is this house. I have been accused, I have given you my defense, and my position will be that you have also your constitutional right which you will exercise and they come to a determination of what has transpired to have me brought before you